Most debt reduction goals fail. Did you know that 90% of them fail? We're coming up to that time when New Year's resolutions are starting to wear off, and 80% of them are actually going to be completely destroyed by February. It's also a time of year when people's debt levels are highest. So here's a few tips on how to make your debt reduction goals stick and how to make them successful. Number 1, work with a wealth management advisor. For wealthy people with young people in their lives, one of the best life skills you can give them is how to manage their money. Helping them work with a wealth management advisor, we can set a plan for them and we can hold them accountable and keep them on track. Number 2, you want to make sure that your goals are attainable. This is the number 1 reason why they fail. It's because the goals are just too hard. You want to make sure that they're a stretch, but that you can still grab them. Number 3, you want to break your big goals down into micro steps. A year is a really long time, so break it down into months and don't forget to reward yourself mentally for a job well done. Number 4, what's your why? I would recommend Googling Simon Sinek, and he talks about why people get out of bed in the morning. If you can determine that, what's your driving force, your passion behind this goal that you have, it'll help it make it more meaningful to you, and you'll have a deeper understanding behind your motivation to achieve it. And if something is more meaningful to you, you're more likely to stick with it. Number 5, envision success. Olympic athletes do this all the time, and the reason is because it actually works. And what they do is they envision the future, they break it down to the details of how they're going to feel in the moment when they achieve success. So you want to do that with your goal. If you can envision success, it makes it a lot more likely that you're going to stick with it. Now remember, working with a wealth management advisor, our experience is priceless. I'm Anna Hilberry. Thank you so much for listening.